fully redesign of Honda Odyssey 2018. The 2018 Honda Odyssey is fully redesigned, and it makes a huge splash in the minivan class. Honda's family hauler boasts a spacious interior, user-friendly technology, and impressive overall performance. The new generation of the Odyssey is a home run. Agile handling and a strong V6 engine make the Odyssey a blast to drive, which you probably don't expect from a minivan. Passengers will have ample room to stretch out and get comfortable, and you can haul a lot of cargo. There's also a long list of features that both kids and adults will appreciate, including a rear entertainment system and an in-cabin camera system. Odyssey Interior. Soft touch, high-quality materials are featured throughout the redesigned 2018 Honda Odyssey's cabin. Higher trims get a more stylish design with upscale finishes. The Odyssey is spacious and quiet, with comfortable seats, a user-friendly infotainment system, and a long list of available technology. Cargo space is among the best in the class. Seating. There is seating for up to 8 in the 2018 Honda Odyssey. Spill-resistant cloth upholstery and an 8-way power-adjustable driver's seat are standard. Available features include leather upholstery, heated and ventilated front seats, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a heated steering wheel, a 12-way power-adjustable driver's seat with memory settings, power sliding doors, and magic slide second-row seats, which adjust laterally, backward, and forward in 5 different positions. This makes it easy to find a good position for kids in car seats, and to access the third row. The Odyssey seats are supportive and comfortable. There is plenty. New for 2018 are Honda's Magic Slide second-row seats, which adjust laterally, backward, and forward in 5 different positions. Parents will be grateful for this adjustability when sending fighting siblings to opposite sides of the van or bringing a child's seat within arm's reach. The system also makes third-row access easier. There is plenty of head-in legroom for adults in all 3 rows of the Odyssey. The seats are well padded, making them comfortable and supportive. Wide door openings make for easy entry and exit, and large windows provide good visibility in all 3 rows. There are complete sets of latch child seat connectors on the second row and outboard third row seats, as well as an upper tether on the third row middle seat. The 2018 Odyssey's latch system has not yet been evaluated by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety for its ease of use. Interior features. The 2018 Odyssey comes standard with a multi-angle rear-view camera, remote entry, push-button start, a 5-inch display, a 7-speaker sound system, Bluetooth, hands-free text messaging, and 2 USB ports. Available features include an 8-inch touchscreen, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, HD radio, satellite radio, a hands-free power liftgate, a moonroof, a power liftgate, navigation, voice recognition, a rear seat Blu-ray entertainment system, and real-time traffic. Other features include cabin control, which lets you send destinations to the Odyssey's navigation system and control the rear seat entertainment system and climate settings with your smartphone, cabin talk, which lets the driver communicate with the second and third row passengers using a microphone, Honda Vac, and in-vehicle vacuum, cabin watch, which uses a camera to provide a view of the second and third rows on the touchscreen display, Honda Link, which gives you remote access to your minivan, a Wi-Fi hotspot, an 11-speaker sound system, park assist, blind spot monitoring with cross-traffic alert, and a wireless phone charger. Also available is Honda Sensing, a suite of advanced driver assistance features that includes pre-collision braking, forward collision warning, lane keep assist, road departure warning, lane departure warning, and adaptive cruise control. The Odyssey's infotainment system is very responsive and easy to use. It responds to smartphone-like commands, like swiping, and lets you drag and drop icons to customize the home screen. There are intuitive menus that are easy to navigate, as well as physical buttons for volume and climate control. Cargo. There is 38.6 cubic feet of cargo space behind the third row of seats, 92 cubic feet behind the second row, and 158 cubic feet behind the first row. When compared to the 2017 Odyssey, the 2018 model has more room behind the third and first rows, but slightly less room behind the second row. The third row of seats easily folds flat to load large cargo. However, the second row needs to be removed completely to make full use of all storage space. There is plenty of in-cabin storage for smaller items. A power lift gate and a hands-free power lift gate are also available.